Hey, Emma. What are you up to today?
Not much. Just relaxing at home.
Well, I was thinking of going shopping today. Want to come with me?
Sure. I could always use some new clothes.
I know, right? I've been eyeing this cute dress at the mall.
Oh, really? What does it look like?
It's a red floral dress with a flowy skirt.
That sounds pretty. I'm sure it would look great on you.
Thanks. I'm also thinking of getting a new pair of shoes. I saw these sandals that I really liked.
Oh, I know the ones you're talking about. They're adorable.
I know, right? I just can't decide what color to get.
Well, you could always get 2 pairs.
Maybe I will. Oh, and I also need to get some new makeup. I'm running low on my foundation.
Me too. I've been wanting to try that new brand that everyone's been raving about.
Oh, which one is that?
It's called Brand Name. I've heard it's really good.
I'll have to check it out. I'm always looking for new makeup to try.
Me too. I love experimenting with different looks.
Same here. It's so much fun to play with makeup and see what you can create.
I know, right? It's like being an artist.
I think we're going to have a lot of fun shopping today.
Me too. I can't wait to see everything you find.
Me too. And I can't wait to see what you find.
Well, let's get going then.
Alright, let's do it.